welcome to this Thursday edition of Second Grade News. Please stand and join with Cecilia as she starts us off with the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Cecilia. You did a fabulous job leading us today. Now, today in reading, we are going to be reading a nonfiction passage about evergreen trees that pairs well with our story, Night Tree, this week. In grammar, we're also going to be continuing working on our contractions, and so we'll do that in grammar and in phonics because we want to learn how to both read and write contractions and also what they mean. In math today, we're going to continue reviewing 3-digit shapes. All right, I am going to leave you with one last quote for today. Remember, this month, our core value is generosity, which means helping others and making someone's day by giving something away. A famous actress, Audrey Hepburn, once said, "We were given 2 hands, one for helping ourselves and the other for helping others." What do you think she means by that? As you're thinking today, I want you to look for opportunities to be generous, whether that be giving something to someone, a physical something, or it could be giving them time or giving them a listening ear. So, our word for this month is generosity. We're going to continue talking about that over the next 2 weeks. Now, it is time for calendar. Make sure you watch all the way to the end of calendar, and today you're going to submit your completed pattern of the day. I will see you guys in reading group. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started with today's calendar lesson. Remember, we are in the last month of the year, or the 12th month of the year, which is December. Let's spell that together. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. Very good. Yesterday was Wednesday, which means today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Okay? So let's go ahead and flip over another date tag and see what our pattern is going to be. Ooh, we have another quadrilateral. Do you notice that? All of our shapes so far are quadrilaterals, but they are not the same. We have a blue rectangle, a yellow rhombus, and a red square so far. We'll have to see what comes up tomorrow to see if we can figure out what our pattern is going to be. All right, so let's go ahead and say today's date together. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our hundreds chart. So go ahead and flip the page, and we're going to add the next number in our hundreds chart, which yesterday was the 77th day of school, which means today is the 78th day of school. Good job. All right, now let's go ahead and add in a 1's cube to make it equal. All right, so here we go. We're going to add another 1's cube into our pocket on our tens, our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Okay, so we should have colored in, or you guys should color in another 1's cube. And now we should have 7 ones and, or 7 tens and 8 ones. Okay? So 7 tens and 8 ones, which equals the number 78. All right? We're going to add another penny into the pocket. Here we go. We have 3 quarters and 3 pennies. Let's see how much we have. Remember, yesterday we've been counting by quarters this week. So we have 25, 50, 75, very good, 76, 77, 78. So today we have 78 cents. And remember, we could also write that as $0.78. Okay? Today, we're going to show another time on our clock. All right, so let's look at this time. I'm going to draw my minute or my hour hand. That's actually a really long hour hand. Let me kind of fix that. Just have to do it with my finger. All right, so that's kind of a super long hour hand. So if I'm looking at it, my hour hand is pointing in between the 11 and the 12. And then my minute hand is going to be pointing over here. All right, remember, yesterday we said that we can look, we always look at the hour hand first, and we write down that hour hand. So it's in between the 11 and the 12, but it hasn't gotten to the 12 yet, right? So we are looking at the number, the hour, the 11 o'clock hour, and then we have to try to find out how many minutes do we have. So we're going to count around the clock by fives until we cannot count any more. Okay, so here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, I can't go fives. I gotta go ones. 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, so our time on the clock is showing 11:34. Good job. All right, today we're gonna be counting by fives, okay? So we're counting by fives, and we're starting at the number 450, or not 450, just 450. 450. So go ahead and pause your video, do your pattern of the day, 450, counting by fives, and then come on back and see if you were correct. All right? So here we go. 450, 455, 460, 465, 470, 475, 480, 485, 490, 495. Very good job, guys. I will see y'all in just a little bit in reading groups. Have a good day.